Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everybody watching this live session. My name is Rehan Taqi Syed. I'm the founding director of Center for Entrepreneurship and Business Incubation and also program head of management at Modern College of Business and Science. First and foremost, my greetings for the month of Ramadan and also my wishes to everybody during these challenging times to stay safe and take care of your health and everybody around you. It is a pleasure to share a development at our college. We are in the process of offering a new degree program considering the changing climate of the business and politics in the country and the region. The program focusing on design, innovation and entrepreneurship will be a game changer for the youth of the country, predominantly because this is the only program offered across the Sultanate. The program has three pillars: design thinking, creativity and innovation, entrepreneurial competency and mindset. These three are the requirement of the future. The program is designed in such a way that it leads to two paths for the students who undergo the 4-year degree program at Modern College of Business and Science. The first path is to become a more competent employee in any organization within the country or the region. This is because you will be exposed to the facets and also concepts relating to entrepreneurial mindset, design thinking, product innovation, and more importantly, learning how to initiate and lead new projects, products, or services. This is the core requirement in today's challenging times. On the other hand, part 2 will focus on you becoming an entrepreneur, starting your own company, which will be supported ably by Center for Entrepreneurship at Modern College of Business and Science. So these two paths are definitely worth considering. And more importantly, I always have been a strong advocate of students having entrepreneurial mindset in whichever program they pursue. While the traditional programs of MCBS are definitely one of the core reasons why the college is considered as one of the best in the country, we are continuing to offer those programs. This new program is a very good value addition to the existing core programs focused on finance, accounting, HR, management, commercial law, aviation, transport and logistics, safety, health and safety. So I kindly request all of you to have a look at the program. You can send an email to the college to get more details about the program. And more importantly, if you want a brochure, the brochure is ready. It's already on social media platforms, and direct email could actually be a very good medium to start the initiation. And you can reach out to any of our colleagues, the marketing department, and also in the management department, including Center for Entrepreneurship, for further details. Before I wind up and take questions from the students and from the viewers, I would also like to emphasize the impact of this program to the country, because the country is now undergoing a lot of changes, as we all have been saying on the day-to-day level. This program will add value by empowering the youth so that they will be viable and, more importantly, competent assets for the nation. With this program and with the conceptual ideas of design thinking, innovation and creativity, and entrepreneurial competency will definitely result in the youth not only becoming business leaders of the Sultanate, but also of GCC and the region. And that's the aspiration moving forward with Vision 2040 document of His Majesty and former Majesty of Sultanate of Oman. So please feel free to come, check out the program, or contact us online and see to that you get more information and you're clear before you get into this particular program. This program is planned to be offered from fall 2021, that is the coming academic year, and I don't see a reason why you should not take this opportunity to dive into this interesting and, more importantly, well-designed program for your better future and for the country's better prospects. Thank you very much, one and all. Shukran. Ramadan Kareem once again, and I'm now open for discussions and questions. Thank you. Okay. The first question, as I see here, shared by my colleague, How long is the program? The program is of 4 years, as similar to other degree programs. It's Bachelor of Science in Management, but focused on design, innovation, and entrepreneurship. So it is very similar to the core programs already offered in MCBS, and this 4-year degree program would be a very good fit for all of you.
Sir, another question, is the program for the fresh graduates?
Yes, the program is for the fresh graduates. Also, people who are studying or students who are studying in other colleges, if they have some credits, those credits can be transferred to MCBS and some of the core courses can be waived off. So it is for freshers who are starting from the first year, or it could be for transfer students who are studying in the Sultanate or the region.
Does other countries can participate in this program?
Definitely. Students from any country can participate if they meet the requirement, the entry requirement of MCBS, which is very similar to all the programs offered in the college. So please feel free to get in touch with our admission office.
How to apply for this program?
The application process is as similar as it is for other programs. You have to meet the minimum entry requirement of the degree program, that is a bachelor degree level. And if you have to finish the foundation level as a mandatory requirement, or if it is waived off, you can directly enter into the bachelor degree stream.
Is there a scholarship?
Depending on which particular program you are coming in, and also the ministry scholarship is there, maybe your companies can sponsor. We have different student communities within a college. Predominantly it's a ministry scholarship, then we have company scholarship. We also have MCBS scholarship and Dean's List, which will definitely be a value addition and also financial benefit for the students.
What kind of job they can get after graduating from this?
That's an interesting question. As we shared the two paths, the path of an employee and the path of an employer. The employee path, it ranges from different aspects. It could be product manager, service manager, general manager, leading a particular initiative, leadership position. Also, it could be a combination of entrepreneurship, wherein if a big company is starting a new project, maybe for example in Dukum, and they could position you because you already have the competency of starting a project, leading a project, and also having the background of product and service innovation. So these are the probable career paths as an employee. As an employer, you can start off with your own business. By the end of year 2 or 3, you will be supported by Center for Entrepreneurship for your startup.
Is it an online program?
Currently, considering the times we are in, all the programs in MCBS are offered online. We are awaiting ministry's further orders. Depending on what ministry decides, we'll be abiding by it. So currently it is online, but definitely if things go fine and the vaccination drive is completed and the COVID cases are well under control, we'll be reverting to the campus mode. But moving forward, as I see, and as the entire world is experiencing, we will be going the blended learning with both online and offline courses offered.
What about part-time students?
This has been our benchmark and also the flagship initiative. We have courses for part-time students delivered in the afternoon or evening. So most of our courses in MCBS, as you can get back to graduates and alumni of MCBS, they have experienced the same support rendered by the college, wherein if a course is offered in the morning, it will also be offered in the evening, considering part-time students who are working up to 2 o'clock or 3:30 or 5 o'clock, depending on their work times. So we are quite flexible in that particular aspect.
What time to start this program?
Fall 2021 would be the commencement of this program. That is September 2021 to be precise.
What is the requirements for this program?
The requirement to achieve or accomplish the degree, the final certificate, is 120 credits. That is the exit level. At the entry level, the requirements are as similar to other degree programs. It could be IELTS score, it could be your English competency, and the admission criteria as stipulated by the college. So there is no special requirement for this particular program.
What What is the duration for this program?
8 semesters, 4 years, spread across 4 years. That's the maximum. We have seen cases where students have taken courses and finished in less than 4 years. We have seen 3 to 5 years as an ideal time, depending on students' part-time or full-time and other personal and professional responsibilities. This is the average timeline for MCBS graduate.
Can you tell us the outcome about this program?
As we have planned, and I have the plan here in detail with the outcome, benchmarked with the top universities in the world. The outcome, again, as I have already shared, we are trying our best with all the possible resources within our capabilities to see to that at the end of the program, apart from getting the degree certificate, the student actually has hands-on experience on entrepreneurial mindset, on product innovation and design thinking. Apart from just theory courses, we also have a lot of games, business games, and workshops coupled with invited lectures and internship or trainingship within companies and also guided by the college.
What about science students? Can they enroll in this program?
I am a science graduate. I will be a strong advocate of anybody who has completed science courses before to join this program. That would actually be a better value addition, because you might have, for example, as a bachelor degree student in science, I had completed 2 projects, but both were just submitted to the faculty members, and I think they are stored in the file section in some college in some part of the world, which is a waste of talent, waste of the efforts. Please use this opportunity to convert your science projects into actual product or services which can be full-fledged companies or part of the companies. Unless and until we as a nation convert a knowledge asset to economic asset via entrepreneurial competencies and design thinking abilities, we will definitely not move forward. So science students are more than welcome.
What about the certificate for this program?
The certificate would be as similar to the other certificates offered by Modern College, that is Bachelor of Science, but the focus areas would be design, innovation, and entrepreneurship.
Will it be fully online?
That again is a decision which is not in the college's hands. We have to abide by, and we should abide by, the ministry's regulations. Right now, we are offering all the courses fully online. That again depends on different criteria, the cases, and also the pandemic levels.
What about statistic graduates?
Statistics graduates who have completed certain core requirements, and that's an interesting question, and I think it's applicable to all of you. Those who have already completed a degree program or part of the degree program, please contact our admissions and registration office. The courses what you have completed, the core courses, the business requirements and electives, can be waived off. You don't have to repeat the entire thing again. Only the major requirements of the degree program. I'm just reading out some of the core courses. For example, innovation, design, creativity, new venture creation, business intelligence, international management, small business, social entrepreneurship. These would be required by you. Else, if you have taken any course within the business degree program at MCBS or in the Sultanate or any other country, please apply for transfer credits. We have the procedure. It's a very transparent procedure, and we'll be more than happy to support your transfer of credits so that you save time, save money, and more importantly, save the efforts of repeating the course.
So, there's no other questions.
Okay.
People who are asking about the prices, please contact us through WhatsApp. The number is showing down. And maybe you can just give advice for high school students who are about to choose their
Definitely. In fact, I remember my own high school time. We were all confused. The only question which we faced and we experienced was what to do next. And that's always the case of life. When you are pursuing something, we are always a bit worried, and I see that as a natural instinct. Don't worry, but I would, I read this quote somewhere. Stop dreaming and worrying. That will not lead you anywhere. Start planning. Plan your career. Now, seeing your own capabilities and your interest, see to that you use this as an opportunity to explore what are the options, and more importantly, this apart from, I forgot to mention the third career path. The Sultanate of Oman and the region needs good educators. We need educators, proficient academicians in the field of entrepreneurship and design thinking. So let's consider this as a third and a very good career path of becoming an academician in the field of entrepreneurship, innovation and design thinking. So it could lead from bachelor's degree to master's degree to PhD or other doctorate program, and you might end up being a professor in one of the top universities in the region and also in the Sultanate. So that's a third option you have apart from the first two we already discussed in detail. So high school students who have just finished their high school or who are confused, I think this is a good opportunity for you to explore your own interest. And this being a very diverse and a broad program will actually open many doors for you to complete your master's degree in a specific and a niche specialization.
Okay, last question. What about training and degree advance for people who have higher diploma and they are still studying finance and accounting?
Okay.
Do you feel it's a good choice for them to switch?
This particular degree program is designed in such a way anybody could be part of it. Science, management, business, within business, finance, accounting, statistics, all, because ultimately you have to convert your knowledge into a product or service, and that's where you add value to society. It reminds me of one of the interaction I had a week ago on LinkedIn, and I'm a strong believer that every student's degree program should add value to himself or herself, and more importantly to the society. It's not just accumulating papers and certificates. It is giving back to the society to make this country and the world a better place. So please feel free, if you have any background, to explore this program and see to that, because this program, for example, back to the question, finance is a major part of any venture creation. You need to have the finance background. So those who already have will be having an advantage to pursue this particular program and excel in this program.
There is another major as mentioned, which is engineering.
Okay.
So what do you think for engineering students? If they want
Must. As an engineer myself, compulsory. That I have experienced this as an engineering student, how I can relate back to my engineering degree program and learnings. Today as a teacher, I give my own students, management students and business students, examples from my engineering background. Because product innovation, service innovation and design thinking all ultimately is focused on the engineering and science aspects. So engineering students, I am an example live in front of you. Definitely you should consider this as an opportunity.
Information security and HR.
Definitely. Now, information security and HR might look two different aspects, but let's accept the fact. Today, right now, as we are interacting, it's all about information digitalization. So you need to consider this when you are planning to undergo a degree program like this, wherein entrepreneurial aspects are definitely core of the program. HR has always been underestimated or undervalued, unfortunately, in many of the countries and companies. But if we closely observe, end of the day, it is people working with people for people. That's all the whole life, professional life and society is all about. So if you know how to manage people, you have won more than half the war. Next is all the other aspects of product, service and customer satisfaction.
What about the students who finished already their bachelor degree?
Okay, that's an interesting proposition. You don't have to repeat the entire course, entire next 4 years, because most of the courses what you have completed in your bachelor degree program could be waived off because you have already completed them. So this would just be a value addition with a lesser timeline. There is no need for any student to repeat the courses which have already been covered in their particular specialization or degree program. So please don't think it is 4 plus 4. It could be just maybe 2 years you would have extra specialization in your profile.
So Let's wind up with advice for you to all the graduates and fresh graduates also.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's an interesting session, though short and sweet. But please feel free to contact me directly. My email ID is raihan@mcbs.edu.om. It is spelled RAIHAN @mcbs.edu.om. OM stands for Oman. I'll be more than happy to share my personal experience within the entire career, from engineering student to management student to handling entrepreneurship and management program at MCBS. I'll be more than happy to share my own experience and journey, which will definitely give you more confidence. On the other hand, please don't get disturbed by these special times. Instead of thinking these are bad times, challenging times, and getting depressed, I would strongly urge, especially the youth here, to not waste time, but convert this challenging times into an opportunity to pursue something more interesting, and more importantly, learn about yourself. Maybe we don't even know. There are cases where you don't even know about ourselves. This degree program might help you individually to know more about yourself and be a better graduate and a more competent professional in future, inshallah.
Some they are asking to write your email.
Okay.
Please contact us through WhatsApp. The number is showing down. We will send you Mr. Raihan's email.
Perfect.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you. Shukran.